Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time stop by to my channel. My name is Atinuke. So today I'm sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY 2x6 lace closure using expression braiding hair to achieve this gorgeous closure. I already started ventilating on this closure before showing you guys on camera. This year I'm going to be used, so watch out for the next part so that you can know the color of the hair I used, because this video is going to be two parts. One, me showing you the closure, how I ventilated the closure. Two, then me showing you what I used the closure to achieve. So you can see what I'm doing. I did a very close up video for you guys to see how I ventilated this. Very easy to achieve. I skip a hole in the first row as I ventilate. As I'm ventilating, I'm skipping a hole. Then the second track, I'll ventilate again. I didn't leave any space at all because this closure is 2x6. It's a very small closure, so we have to cover that side, the sew down that we can ventilate on. So if you want to see what I'm trying to say, kindly please keep on watching. So when I get to the closing part where I'm going to put my pattern, I skip a hole, as in I skip a line, not a hole. I skip a line. Just keep on watching so that you are going to understand what I'm trying to explain. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by to this amazing channel. Please make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, turn on the notification bell so that you're going to be notified when I upload a lot of amazing video. You can tell I'm showing you guys. Sometimes your ventilating hook can stuck on your crochet cap. That is why I didn't cut this part out. I want you to see this part. So you just have to be careful. It happens like that your ventilating hook is going to stuck on your closure. Be careful when you want to take out the ventilating piece so that you won't rip the closure. So you can see what I'm doing. I'll take a little, then turn it. Make sure you turn your crochet. Make sure you turn down your ventilating hook. Then the next line I'm ventilating, I did not skip any line. I just skip a hole in a line. You understand? I skip a hole in a line. So I did all my possible best for you guys to see what I'm ventilating on. That was why I did a very good close up for you to see. And that is why I didn't really forward the video a lot for you to understand. and I picked 3 strands of hair. This crochet hook I'm using pick, I think is 3 to 4 strands. This crochet hook can pick, that is the ventilating hook. The mouth can pick 3 to 4 strands. So you can see what I'm doing, showing different kind of close up for you to see, because this is a 2x6 closure, so you have to make it to be full. So that is why I didn't space my hand. I skip a hole, I didn't skip a line, but towards the end of the closing I skip a line. So you just have to keep on watching so that you're going to understand what I'm trying to say. So I did cut 3 for this closure. The hair, I cut it into 3. The expression braiding hair, I did cut 3 because I want the closure to be long. So I did cut 3. Then you have to fold the hair like this at the tip. As I fold it to the tip of my hand, that is how you should do it if you don't want to waste a lot of hair and if you want your work to be faster. If you can't use ventilating hook, you can use crochet hook, but for me I prefer ventilating hook. It makes my work faster than crochet hook. So after I'm done doing half, so we have to start ventilating on the half side also from the other side, because I want to put a pattern. If you don't want to put a pattern, you can easily ventilate on all without you siding without you starting from the other side as I'm doing. So you can see what I'm doing. I start because I've already done half, so for me to finish the remaining half, I started from the other side. So I keep ventilating. So this is what I'm trying to explain. You can see, I will show you guys better. I skip a hole, that is the line. Sorry, I skip a line, not a hole. I skip a line. That is what I'm trying to show you with the crochet hook. I skip a line. Like now I have 5 lines left to finish, so 2 lines will be my pattern, while the 3 other line I'll skip one line, then I'll ventilate on the next one, then I won't ventilate on the next one, because I want the pattern to be very natural, which you are going to see towards the end of this video, how the pattern looks so natural, the hair looks so natural. So that is what I'm trying to explain. I keep ventilating, I skip a hole, then ventilate after I already skip a line. So this is the last line I'm working on. You can see the last one. The remaining 2 line is going to be for my pattern. It depends on how you want your pattern to be open. So I don't really like my pattern to be open like that. I don't like it. And guys, let me be sincere with you guys, this color I used, it was not easy to ventilate because there's like sliver mixed with black. This hair is like sliver, not like even sliver mixed with black, or white hair mixed with black. Oh my god, it was not easy to ventilate those white hair. It was not easy at all. So I really need you guys to know that. I really need to tell you guys that it was not easy, because when I ventilate, you know, I'm ventilating a very tiny amount of air. It will be very difficult for me to see the one I've already ventilated. So it was not easy at all. So guys, this is the final process. Final, can you see the scalp as in so natural? Oh my god, you're going to see as I'm brushing it, you're going to see the scalp. This came out so natural. Can you see? Oh my god, this is so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions to ask me, you can comment down below. I'll be glad to answer you immediately. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Please make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up for this video. Can you see the back? So natural. So nice. This hair is 15 inches. I measure it with the proof. Can you see? so natural. I did it. If I can do it, it can do it much more better. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.